Okay.
Good morning. We're here with Zen Windows St Louis, which is the most unique specialist window company I've found in all my years. Their process from start to finish was very simple, very easy, and very professional. I first found Zen through a personal friend of mine that actually operates the Denver, Colorado location. And I've known these friends for many years and got to talking to them about the process and how the windows were installed and that you didn't need sales coming into your home. It was all done via the telephone or online. So they connected me with the local chapter of Zen Windows, which was Dennis and Rhonda Riley, and talked to Dennis, explained to him that we had lots of windows in our home, well past 26, and I also had this wonderful patio door installed as well. Dennis talked me through the whole process, was very responsive. When I called or emailed, I had a response back within usually 30 minutes. He worked up my quote. I was happy with the numbers. And the whole process from start to finish with ordering to install took roughly 3.5 weeks. The install crew came on time, were very professional, covered and cared for all our items in our home. The whole installation process with that team took under 2 days to do 26 windows and a patio door. And we have had our windows now for almost 2 years, or 1.5 years, and just very, very happy. Noticed a decrease in heating costs and just overall comfort level right off the bat. It's a very, very professionally done product. soft-Lite Windows has been around for many, many years. Very happy with their customer service and what they provide. So when you buy a Zen, you're getting the soft-Lite name with a little bit of the extras, and you just can't go wrong. I highly recommend Zen Windows St Louis. Give Dennis a call and he'll help you out, and if you feel that you need a demo, you're welcome to contact him about a possible view of my home.